G'day everyone. What I'm doing here now is I'm leveling right around. I'm not using my laser because it's a smaller bathroom floor. Pretty easy with a 2 meter level. So what I've done is leveled out here. This is where my water stop goes, and I'm coming out 2 tiles. So I go halfway off there. That's a 1200 level, and I want to come out 2 tiles so the aluminium is covered. There's my puddle flange. Nice. And we level it across there, and if I've got that level, this should come out. This should show bang on. And it is pretty damn good. Right, 1200. Where are we? Center of that. 1200 is there. I need to square it off. Where's my tape? Okay, 1660. $16.55, 1660, right, that square. That is where my aluminium is going when I've waterproofed it. So now I'm falling it down to there like so, just like that, just like that. And then going from that corner to that corner. You see what I'm doing? And then it all falls nicely. That now has about a 14 mil, 13 or 14 mil fall, which is brilliant. It's nice. And that's the way I'm going to be splitting my tile down to that corner. Like so. So what I do now is I slurry this up. Where's a sponge? Grab that one. Once I have got my glue down there as a slurry, and I trowel it off, or wooden float it off and that sort of thing. I do all my stuff. Then round here is just easy peasy, because I go put a rail against the wall, level, boom, down there, across here, drag it off. And that's my bathroom done, and I come back when it's dry in a few days' time. I don't know about waiting 7 days, people. You know, some people say 6 weeks. Oh, far out. I'd never get anything done. With a dry climate, and we're hitting 27, 28 on the Gold Coast every day, 2 or 3 days for this to dry off it's well dry. It's all soaking as well into a concrete bed that's 25 years old, so it's super dry. It doesn't take long at all. And then I'm waterproofing it on top, so if there's any more drying, it dries by soaking into the old concrete floor. Alright people, I'll get myself sorted out and I'll come back to you. See you soon.